Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our NIEVS home school. My dear students, hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Shanjida Rahman, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a science class for the student of class 2, and our today's topic is chapter 2, word meaning, one word answer, question answer and exercise. Our lecture number 2, and this is my name Shanjida Rahman, and this is my contact number. My dear students, in my previous class we read out chapter 2, uses of the plants. In today's class we will do the exercise from this chapter and also learn word meaning, one word answer and question answer from this chapter. Now let's start our class. The name of our chapter is chapter 2, uses of the plants, and here is exercise number A. Tick the correct answer. In this question there is a sentence and 3 options. You tick the correct, you choose the correct answer, then put the tick mark on the correct answer. Now we read the sentence. A. Thing made of wood. Option: table, toothpaste, perfume. We know that table is made from wood, so we put the tick mark on table. Number 2, a thing made of rubber. Here is 3 options: paper, balloons, pencil. Which made of rubber? We know that balloon is made of rubber, so we put the tick mark on balloon. Number 3 question. Leaves of plants used to decorate house: papaya, mango, coconut. Which plant's leaves is used for decorate our house? We know that mango trees leaves used to decorate our house, so we put the tick mark on mango. Number 4, a plant that is used to make medicine. Option: lily, ginger and rose. So we know that a plant that is used to make medicine is ginger. From ginger we make different kinds of herbal medicine, so we put the tick mark on ginger. Number 5, a thing made of plant oil, glue, shampoo and rope. We know that a thing made of plant oil, shampoo. Shampoo is made from different kinds of plants oil, so we put the tick mark on shampoo. Now in your book, the exercise number C, choose the odd one, give reason for your answer. In this question, in any sentence you found 4 words and you will circle the odd one, which is odd and why this is odd. Now we learn this word. Number 1, erasers, tires, pipes, table. Here eraser, tires and pipe, these 3 things are made of rubber, but table is made from wood, so we put the tick mark on table because table is different from these things. So we circle table. Number 2, soap, shampoo, toothpaste and mat. Here soap, shampoo and toothpaste, all 3 things are made as a cosmetic. We use these things as a cosmetic, but mat is not a cosmetic, it is produced from the fiber, so we circle mat. Number 3, tea, milk, coffee, cocoa. Here tea, coffee and cocoa, these 3 things we get from the plant, but we get milk from the cow or animals. We get the milk from the animals like cow, goat or other sheep or other things. So here milk is a odd because other 3 things are we get from plant. Number 4, wheat, hemp, cotton, jute. Which one is the odd? Here wheat is odd, hemp, cotton, jute. These three things we found from the plant which give us fiber. So, cotton, jute and hemp, these three things are made from the fiber plant, but wheat is not a fiber plant, which is we get as our food. So, we circle this one. Now, write the true or false. In this question, you read the sentence and find out which sentence is true and which sentence is false. If the sentence is true, you write the correct answer true, or if the sentence is false, you write the correct answer false. Now, read the sentence. We make chocolate using cocoa. Yes, we make chocolate using cocoa. So, the answer is true. We write here true. Number 2, we get wood from teak, sal and oak. Yes, we also get wood from these three trees. So, answer is true. Number 3, we get fiber from the neem. False, because neem is a medicinal tree. We get medicine from this tree. So, here it is false. Number 4, bamboo is used to make perfume. Answer is false. Bamboo is not used for making perfume. Number 5, flowers such as roses and marigolds are used to decorate houses. Yes, in our different occasions like birthday, wedding, turmeric festival or different festival, we use flowers to decorate our house. Here marigold and rose, we use these two flowers to decorate our house. Answer is true. T-R-U-E, true. Number 4, jasmine is used to make perfume. Yes, jasmine is a flower and its fragrance is very sweet. So, we use this flower to make perfume. Answer is true. T-R-U-E, true. Number, match the following. So, here there is a table. In table, this table is divided into two parts, column number A and column number B. You need to match this word from column number A with column number B. Now, we match these two words. Paper. Paper, we get paper from sal wood. So, we match this with sal. Medicine, we get medicine from the tulsi tree. We get medicine from the tulsi tree. 2 plus D. Number 3, fiber, we get fiber from hemp. So, we match it 3 plus B. Number 4, glue, we get glue from the acacia tree. So, we match glue with acacia. 4 plus C. Number 5, spices. Spices is pepper. Pepper is one kind of spices. So, we match it 5 plus A. So, one answer is 1 plus E. 2 is 2 plus D, medicine tulsi. C is 3 is 3 plus B, hemp. 4 is 4 plus C, acacia, and 5 plus A, paper. Spices, paper. Now, we learn word meaning from this chapter. Word meaning. Number 1, cocoa. C-O-C-O-A. Cocoa. C-O-C-O-A. Cocoa. Cocoa means a brown powder made from roasted cocoa beans used in making chocolate. I know that all of you fond chocolate. We like chocolate. We also like chocolate cake, pastry cake. So, these things are made from the cocoa powder, and we get this cocoa powder from a brown roasted beans. We call it as a cocoa. So, cocoa means a brown powder made from roasted cocoa beans used in making chocolate. Number 2, nylon. N-Y-L-O-N. Nylon. Number 2, nylon. N-Y-L-O-N. Nylon means man-made fiber. Nylon means man-made fiber. Number 3, wool, W-O-O-L, wool, W-O-O-L. Wool means the fine, soft, curly hair of sheep or other animal. So wool means the fine, soft, curly hair of sheep or other animal. One word answer. Question number 1, from where we get rubber? Answer is rubber tree. We get rubber from the rubber tree. Number 2, what does keep our surroundings clean? Answer, plants. So again I repeat the question, what does keep our surroundings clean? Answer, plants. Now question answer. We read question answer from this chapter also. Question answer 1, what is wood used for? Answer, wood is used to make houses, windows, door, tables, chairs, other furnitures and pencils. We also get paper from the wood. So answer is wood is used to make houses, windows, door, tables, chairs, other furnitures and pencils. We also get paper from the wood. Number 2 question, name 5 food items that we get from the plants. Answer, 5 food items that we get from the plants are given below. Number 1, grains. Number 2, rice. Number 3, pulses. Number 4, fruits. And number 5, vegetables. So here is the name of the 5 food items that we get from the plants. These are grains, rice, pulses, fruits and vegetables. Number 3, question, name 3 plants that are used to make medicines. Answer, 3 plants that are used to make medicines are ginger, tulsi and neem. Again I repeat the question, name 3 plants that are used to make medicines. Answer, 3 plants that are used to make medicines are ginger, tulsi and neem. My dear students, in today's class we discussed the exercise of chapter 2 and also learned word meaning, one word answer and question answer of chapter 2, uses of the plants. And homework for the Eid vacation, for your Eid vacation, homework number 1 and your homework is word meaning and question answer. This homework is for your Eid vacation. My dear students, hope you will keep well, enjoy your Eid, take care and keep well. Assalamu alaikum.